Welcome to Mary Precious Decoration and More, where I do all things home cleaning, a little bit of cooking, not very much, cleaning the exterior as well as the interior of my home, shopping and spending time with my family. Just want to start off by saying Happy New Year, guys. We are off into another new year in about 2 days. And guys, I enjoyed 2025 and I'm looking forward to you guys that we'll share 2026 together with new adventures. Okay, so let's jump into the video. I will be showing you some new pieces that I picked up along with some older pieces, but I want to show you my winter living room refresh. Okay, guys, so let's start over here. Now, I showed you this on the previous video, how I decorated this, so I will not be doing any decorating on this particular video. So starting right at the bottom, that's where I picked up a new piece, and I believe that was from Burlington. And I love the little metrics of that piece. Okay, and right along here, I went in and pulled out some of my cedar sprigs. Okay, and I lined those up in both of my vases that I picked up from, I think those was from Ross as well. And I also added 2 little reindeers. Now guys, you can use these little reindeers all through the season. Well, the winter season, I like using those even after the Christmas holidays are over. And I added 2 books here, one Success and another Elements of Style book. And I also added 2 spears, the ball shapes on each one of the books. And that complemented this area very well. So just to give you a backup shot of what I got going on there. And that is my console table decor. So let's move on over to my love seat. Now right here at my love seat, I added the green pillows and also the 2 pillows in the center with the little vase with them eucalyptus in it. Okay, so there is my love seat. That is my love seat. And moving right along here, now my husband brought in this little piece. He only brought in 1 piece, so I just set it right here on the ends of this love seat. And I know it's not balanced because I don't have a table over there at that end, but we'll work on that. But I want to show him how much I appreciate him by him bringing in this table for me, okay? And on the top of it, I just added a bowl, and I added a little small greenery plant right there. And on the very bottom, I got some DIY books that I did, and I just put a little candle holder there. I do not have a candle on it, okay? Don't want to burn up anything. Okay, so let's move right along here. And here is my console. This is not my console table. This is my buffet table where I see, I don't have anything new on this area, but just the little, what's that? The garland that I added to add in that winter, bringing that winter vibe. So that's what I got going on there. And yes, I do have a new piece, guys. This piece here is very new. You have never seen this piece in my home up until this point. But that is a nice piece that I picked up. I love the shape of it. It looks high-end. And I do have my candle lit right here, along with my TikTok on those 2 decor books right there. And on this side right here, guys, this is where I added my 2 gold candle holders. And I like these. They got the little bling bling around the rim, the center, and the base of it. And I added some eucalyptus in one of the vases that I purchased, along with some DIY books that I did. Okay, so let's move right along here. And right here on my coffee table, I have a new piece. I got the iframes, the glasses frame, got that sitting to the left on Elements of Style book, along with some beads. And I also added some greenery and this eucalyptus, that bringing in that vibe for the winter. So I just want to keep everything cohesive and just make it look a little bit airy. Okay, didn't want to overcrowd anything. And right here I do have 3 pieces. The mirror tray is new. It's like a charcoal chrome mirror tray. Along with these little 2 pieces right here I picked up. I fell in love with those and I decided to go back and pick them up, but they was gone. So about 2 months later, they brought them back and I was able to pick those up from Burlington. Okay, Burlington. And right at the bottom, I have 2 ladies sitting on the edge of my coffee table. And one is holding a book and one is holding a ball. Okay, and right in the back of the ladies, that's my dove, and that represents peace. Peace and goodwill to all men. Okay, so let's move right along to my display shelf. Okay, my display shelf at the very bottom, that's where I have my AB concept, my execute book, and my focus book to keep me focused, along with some golds and black bookends. And I try to keep a lot of the items on this video like into the gold, which represent classy. Okay, so right along here I have my gold bowls, and moving right along here, this is a new piece, guys, that I picked up, and I'm loving that piece right there. I picked up 2, okay, and also right along here is a new vase that I picked up. I picked up 2 of these as well because I thought they was pretty nice. I love the texture of them, and it's that tin, and I don't have to worry about it breaking. Okay. Okay, right on the top I have a black vase. Okay, so that black vase is sitting at the very top. Okay, so we are going to move on to my couch. And right here on my couch, I do have 4 new pillows covered. 4 new pillow covers, okay? And right in the center, I do have a set of 4, but I only used 2 this time, so maybe I bring out the other 2 on the next video. And right to the left of those new pillows in the center, I picked up 4 set of those, like the gold or the brownish, but they came in like black, I think, yeah, black, brown, dark brown, tan, and gray. Okay, yeah, that's it. And then the 2 on the end, the 2 black pillow covers, I have probably 4 or 5 of those, but like I said, one of those came in with the set, the dark brown and the tan or the goldish brown, whatever you want to call that. Okay, and so we're going to move right on up to the picture. So here I added the picture over the couch, and it has that little design pattern like my pillows. So I thought that was nice. So I want to make sure I brought in 2 of those pillows underneath the picture. Okay, I love that pattern. And right on each side of the picture, there we have my wall display sconces. Okay, so I thought those was nice, giving a little background drop for the couch and the pillow. Okay, moving right along here, I basically have the same vase on this side of the couch, on this display shelf. as well as the vase, gold vase, and this little nice piece here right underneath the vase, gold, and that bottom is like a slate. So that piece is pretty heavy, guys. It was made from India. Okay, right along here I have another bowl. It's not made exactly like the bowl on the other end of the couch, but it's a gold bowl. And right on the bottom is where I have my London and my Paris book, along with my Louis Vuitton that I did a DIY on. Okay guys, so this is bringing me to the end of the video. And I thank you guys for watching. And if you have not become a member of the Precious family, I would love to have you to take this time and do so. That's all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and hit the notification bell, and that way you will be notified each time when I upload another video. And don't forget to hit the like button. And I want to take out this time to say Happy New Year. Hope all of you had a wonderful Christmas. And guys, this is the season to relax. I know a lot of us are off work like I am, and I'm going to take advantage of it. I'm not going to try to do that much work, but just enough to get by. Okay guys, so as you come into the new year, don't forget to bring God in there with you. He has been so good throughout 2025, so I wouldn't dare not bring him into 2026. And I'm going to give you one more pan around, and as I'm doing this, guys, just keep pressing. I know some of you, 2025 has been hard for you. You might have lost loved ones. You might have lost jobs. You're probably behind on your bills. But God, just remember, trust in God with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding, but all of your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your paths. Trust him for your everyday need. And remember, when one door shuts, God opened up another door for you. So just use your trials and tribulation as a stepping stone. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I love you so much in Jesus' name. So be blessed and have a wonderful, happy new year. Until I see you the next time, be blessed, be blessed, be blessed in Jesus' name. Bye-bye.